Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a Christmas card that I titled Noel. I'm using a Christmas and winter paper pack, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. So I'm starting with the card base, and I decided to just keep it simple and just one side, not a fold card. It's just to prevent the cards from getting too bulky. And here I am cutting the pattern paper into place, and so the card size that I am using is 4x6, which I know is not a traditional card size, but it makes it easy for me to work with. The cardstock that I have, like with the trimmer, I always have to go around the edges again, because the paper tends to have a little tear there. So then I have the pattern paper, and I take the pattern paper to glue that on the background of the page. And in hindsight, I did realize that this was a pretty busy paper with the snowflakes, and so I would either choose darker snowflakes for the next time and a lighter letters, or just a different background paper, but it's all right. So here at first I had to decide which direction I wanted the card to go, and now I'm trying to arrange it so that it still makes sense when reading the word. I'm writing the word Noel into the snowflakes basically. And while for this particular card I did use some of my dies. The snowflakes are silhouette cuts, but the letters are from my dies. But the template that comes with this will have a beautiful alpha to go with the word Noel. So anyway, here I am starting to just glue down the snowflakes, and then I only need to add the letters to the snowflakes. So the snowflakes are the base for the letters. So now all I need to do is just glue things down there, and that would be the end of the card. So trying not to make the letters slip around too much, and then I am finishing up this card. So anyway, I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups once this is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye.